We poured this slab for the barbecue area for the homeowner. We built a shelf under there to store extra propane tanks for the barbecue. The trim is white Azek PVC trim. The railings are aluminum by Regal Ideas with the bigger 4x4 posts. And the decking is Timbertech Edge in the Dark Teak color. This was a very specific design requested by the homeowner who, it's basically a reproduction of the old deck that was already existing there. And they really liked their design, so he wanted the same thing again. If you know what you like, why change it?